Okay, so for number 6 today, you guys are going to answer the following questions. So I'll kind of walk you through the questions and show you where to find the information that you need. So for number 1, what two characteristics are used to classify air masses? Okay, so we read a couple days ago about air masses. So if you scroll up in your document to number 3 and you start reading, the characteristics of an air mass depend on the temperatures and moisture contents of the region over which the air mass forms. Okay, so we're looking at temperature and moisture content is what is going to define or classify an air mass. So number 2, what type of air mass would form over the northern Atlantic Ocean? Okay, so this one's kind of a review. You're going to scroll up to look at the map. So we have the Atlantic Ocean over on this side, and north is up this direction. So what type of air mass would form over the northern Atlantic Ocean over here? Okay, so that's what you're looking for number 2. Number 3, maritime polar air masses are either A, cold and dry, B, cold and moist, C, warm and dry, or D, warm and moist. So again, we've been studying what maritime and what polar mean. So if you need a little more review, come back up to number 3, these couple paragraphs. And so you're going to have to read about maritime and review polar. And you're going to look at those characteristics and put them together, and they will be one of those options. Okay. 4, what type of air mass would form over New Mexico or Arizona? Okay, so again, we can scroll up to that map again if we need a little reference, and I'll let you know that New Mexico and Arizona are right in this region here. So it's already telling us it's over land. So what kind of air mass would that be? And since it's near the southern part of our country, what type of air mass is going to be cold or warm? So take those characteristics into consideration to choose your answer. Either A, maritime polar, B, maritime tropical, C, continental polar, or D, continental tropical. Okay, good luck. Let us know if you have any questions.